Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel StudioJen, where I talk about AI tools and new futuristic technology. Today I want to show you how you can create your own custom letter logo using the new Bing. If you don't know what the new Bing is, it is basically like ChatGPT, except it also offers you text to image. I've linked you to a tutorial on how to sign up to this in the description below. We can use Bing to help us design a letter logo. Now, when I was coming up with a logo for this channel, I asked Bing to create a logo for StudioJen, and this is what it came up with. And you can see that it's not amazing at creating a logo with a lot of text. It can create little graphics and elements or logos that don't have text, but if you want a logo with a lot of text, you'll have to add the text in afterwards. However, what Bing does do an amazing job of is creating beautiful stylized letter logos. You just have to use the right prompts. So we're going to go to Bing Chat, then click on More Creative. And what I'm going to write is create a stylized letter A with a pizza pattern. Imagine there's a pizza restaurant, Alfredo's Pizza, and I want to create a logo for this pizza restaurant. Now let's see what Bing will come up with. You can see that it says your image is generating, and look at these pizza logos that they came up with. I mean, these are so cool. You can see you've got the little pepperoni. They've come up with 4 different options that we can choose from. And these are different from the ones I tried yesterday when I tried this same prompt. And look how awesome these are. This would be such an amazing pizza restaurant logo. So to download one of these logos, you just click on it and then click download. And there you go. And you could add any extra elements you want with a software like Canva or Photoshop, and you've got this instant logo. So what else can you do with Bing? So I want to show you some of the other letter logos I came up with. So from here, click here on Image Creator. And this is going to take you to the Image Creator powered by DALL-E. And to get back to any of your logos or any AI images you have created with Bing, click on Creations. So I'm going to show you some of the ones I was playing around with before. These ones are so cool. A stylized letter J with a computer hardware pattern and purple blue tones. And look how awesome these are. There was another one I experimented with a circuit board pattern and purple or pink glow. You can see this one, obviously it's not a J, but the other ones were better. And I tried this one, a stylized letter S made of lipstick. This one I really liked. A stylized letter B made out of vintage books. This one I thought was just amazing. And this one I wrote a chunky letter H made of candy. Now, I tried experimenting with this one because my little nephew loves roosters. So I wrote a bubble letter K made out of roosters. Now, you can see there are roosters, but they understood I wanted bubbles and roosters, which got me thinking, what is the best kind of prompt I can use to get exactly what I'm looking for? Which is why we're going to go to ChatGPT, and it's going to guide us to create the perfect prompt so that we can use that prompt in Bing. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to write what are some great prompts I can use when trying to get a text-to-image generator to create a letter logo. And you can see they're coming up with all sorts of different prompts we can use as inspiration for our own prompt. Design a sleek and modern letter logo using the letter. Create an elegant and sophisticated logo featuring the letter. Bold and impactful, playful and vibrant. Minimalist and clean. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what are ways I can tell the generator to make the letter chunky, slim, thick, bubble style, etc., or font style? So it's saying that we can mention specific style keywords, design a letter logo with a chunky and bold font, create a slim and elegant letter logo with a delicate font style. So let's try some of these in Bing and see what it comes up with. So you can go back to Bing Chat, or you can just erase up here and type it in directly in the image creator. So I'm going to put design a letter logo with a nature-inspired theme using the letter W. And I'm going to add even some more information. In brackets, I'm going to put jungle inspired with shades of green, and then click create. And these are some really pretty little logos that they've created, are really nice. Let's try some other ones. Create a playful and vibrant letter logo that showcases the letter P for a party business balloons in brackets, and see what that comes up with. So these are quite fun as well. At first, I wasn't a fan of these ones, and then these ones I really like. Now let's try create a slim and elegant letter logo with a flower pattern, roses for the letter L. You can see it's come up with some really pretty little designs with the letter L. You can even ask it to change the color. These are the L's in red. And once you've created this, you can open it up in an image editor like Photoshop or Canva and experiment with different filters and effects. So I've opened the L up in Photoshop, gone to Filter, then Filter Gallery, and then experiment with any of the filters. You can experiment with any of the artistic filters, brush strokes, and adjust any of the settings that you want to really make it your own and customize it so it's just how you like it. You can also use Photoshop or another image editor to change the colors, to add drop shadows, or whatever you like. I just asked Bing to create a stylized letter P out of popcorn, and look how cute these are. So one thing I wanted to note is that if you are wanting it to look like a logo and be more flat or illustrated, mentioning the word logo helps. You can see I asked that here to create a letter logo with P, and they did some R's that weren't great, but this P was okay. This P and this P as well were also really good. But then I asked it to create a stylized letter P out of popcorn just like that, and it's created these, which are much more realistic looking. And actually, this is something that you could then open up in Photoshop and try to make it a little more cartoony if you wanted it to have an illustrated sort of look. So I really recommend you have fun with this, experiment, try to ask the same prompt in different ways as we learned with ChatGPT to really get it just how you like it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Studiojen for more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.